Please read the instruction manual before installation. Remove the screws. Check the tightness of the side rack latch. If adjustment is needed, you can loosen the securing screw of the side rack latch for adjustment. First, push the latch to the tightest position. Loosely tighten the securing screw. Engage the latch slowly, and simultaneously loosen the securing screw gradually. The latch will be pulled out slowly. At this point, the side rack latch will be in the optimal tightness position. Apply thread locker alternately to the securing screws and tighten them. Refer to the diagram for tightening specifications. Apply thread locker to all screws. Place aluminum alloy washers. Install the mounting hardware. Preliminary fixation is sufficient. Position the top rack. Preliminarily secure it with screws, allowing for ample movement of the top rack. Install the left side rack. Add aluminum alloy washers. Refer to the diagram for the specifications of the aluminum alloy washers. Temporarily remove 2 screws. Add aluminum alloy washers to the right side. Install the right side rack. Reinstall the top rack securing screws. Install the connecting rod. Tighten all screws. Refer to the diagram for tightening specifications. Attach the decorative cover. Place 4 aluminum alloy washers. Attach the top plates. Insert screws. Preliminary fixation. Tighten the screws. Refer to the diagram for specifications. Mount the top case and check. If the tightness of the top plate's latch is not suitable, you can loosen the top plate's latch securing screws for adjustment. First, push the latch to the tightest position. Loosely tighten the 4 securing screws. Install the top case. Engage the latch slowly. The top plate's latch will be pulled out gradually. At this point, the top plate's latch will be in the optimal tightness position. Gently remove the top case and tighten the 4 latch screws. Refer to the diagram for tightening specifications. Mount the side cases. Engage the latches. Lock them with the key. And check the latches. Mount the top case. Engage the latches. Lock them with the key. And check the latches. Installation is complete. Thank you for watching.